Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Queen of Hearts. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two small angles going up. And then a curve up on top. Now to finish drawing the rest of the eyes, I'm going to zoom in. Underneath, let's draw a curve. And then let's add an oval inside. And then color both of them in black. Next, inside each eye, let's draw another small circle on the top left. Now top out to the ends of the eyes and let's curve it down and in. And now let's move up and let's thicken up the top line like this. And thicken up the bottom line as well. And now let's add a few eyelashes on top and bottom. Now on top of each eye, let's draw an angled line up and curve it over. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye. Then let's bring it up from the center. And then a curve on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Next, let's hop on top in the center and let's draw a curve up, bring it down next to the eye and in. And the same on the right side. And then in between, let's draw a V-shaped point for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's move in and let's draw a small curve for the nose, a curve underneath for the mouth, and then one more smaller one for the bottom lip. Now let's move up and let's draw the top of the head. Let's draw a line up in the center. And then a curve up and down on both sides. Next, on top, let's draw the crown. On top of the center, let's draw a U-shaped curve. And then add curves down on both sides like this. Now on top of the points, let's add some small circles. Now inside, let's draw a heart in the center, and then two more smaller ones on both sides. And that's it for the crown. Now let's move down and let's start drawing the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve down and bring it out for the neck and shoulders. And then from the hairline we drew earlier, let's continue it by bringing it down with a slightly wavy line. And then a small curve up from the bottom. And now let's do the same thing from the outside. And then a curve to close off each side. Now let's hop back in under the neck and let's draw two curves meeting at a point. Then a line up in the center and a curve on either side. And then underneath, let's add a heart. Now let's move down and let's start drawing the dress. Let's start with two curves going outwards. And then add a wavy line on top of each side for the ruffles. Now underneath, let's curve it back in towards the center, meeting at a point. And then angle it out on both sides. Now inside that top section, let's add two curves going down and out. Next, let's add the collar on the dress. Let's start next to the hair and let's draw a curve out and then bring it back in, lining up with the angled line in the center. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's move back into the center and let's draw two curves down for the waist. And then angle it down in the center. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a line up in the center and then an angle on both sides. And that's it for the upper part of the dress. Next, let's add the arms. Let's start on the sides underneath the collar and let's draw a bent line out and back in. And the same thing on the right side for the elbows. Now let's continue that line on the other side of the hair. And then curve it up. And then one more angled line for the top of the arm. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the skirt of the dress. Let's start on both sides and let's draw a wavy line going down and out. And then a wavy line across the bottom. Next, let's move inside and let's draw some details to the skirt. On the top left, let's draw a heart shape. And then add a few more squiggly hearts inside. Now on the top right, let's do the same thing, but with an upside down heart. Now let's add another larger one on the bottom left. And then a few more upside down ones underneath on the right side. Next, in all the empty space, let's draw some squiggly lines. And then lastly, let's add a wavy line across the bottom. And that's it for the Queen of Hearts. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!